This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off Discord notifications on mobile. So if you don't want to get any kind of notifications from your Discord app, follow these easy steps to do it. Go ahead and launch the Discord app. Tap on your profile photo at the bottom right. And here scroll down and tap on notifications and disable all notifications from here. And the second thing you can do is go to your phone settings, tap on notifications, and here scroll down and search for Discord and tap on it. And here make sure to disable allow notifications. And after quickly doing this, you won't get any notifications from your Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.